By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out quadratic equations. Have you ever struggled with solving quadratic equations? Whether you're a student tackling algebra or someone refreshing their math skills, mastering quadratic equations is essential. Today, we'll break it down step by step so you can conquer this mathematical challenge. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what a quadratic equation is. It's a second-degree polynomial equation that contains a variable raised to the power of 2. Examples include equations like x to plus 5x to 6 equals 0. Don't worry, we'll simplify this process with clear examples. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Now, let's talk about the methods to solve quadratic equations. We'll cover 3 main techniques: factoring, completing the square, and using the quadratic formula. Each method has its strengths depending on the complexity of the equation. Visual demonstrations are key here. So let's show you how each method works with clear examples on screen. Once you've grasped these techniques, it's time to practice. We'll solve a few quadratic equations together, demonstrating the process step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect in mastering math concepts like these. To summarize, today you've learned about what quadratic equations are and how to solve them using different methods. Whether you're preparing for exams or just refreshing your math skills, these techniques will serve you well. Keep practicing and applying what you've learned. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with dynamized ISO 100 and optimum nutrition gold standard whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic.